Have you had Fortnite crash with IoStore dot signature underscore error saying the pack file is invalid? This usually means one or more game files are corrupted or didn't download properly. So let's fix that step by step in the easiest way possible. First, fully close Fortnite and the Epic Games launcher. Then reopen Epic, go to your library, click the three dots next to Fortnite, choose Manage, and hit Verify. Because this forces Epic to recheck and re-download any broken pack files. And in most cases, this alone fixes the error. But if it doesn't, the next thing you want to do is restart your PC and make sure Fortnite isn't being blocked by antivirus or Windows security. So temporarily disable real-time protection or add the Fortnite and Epic Games folder as exceptions. Then try launching again. And if the error still pops up, clear the Epic Games cache by closing Epic, pressing Windows key plus R, typing %local app data %, opening the Epic Games Launcher folder, deleting the saved folder, and relaunching Epic so it rebuilds fresh files. And as a last resort, make sure Fortnite is installed on a stable drive with enough free space and not on a failing HDD, because corrupted storage can cause invalid pack errors. And if none of these works, just reinstall the game. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.